Our visual inspection equipment for wood-based panel defects features a wide field of view. It automatically grades products into premium, qualified, and unqualified, with customizable sorting priorities. It delivers high-precision, highly compatible, and stable appearance defect detection. To overcome the limitations of traditional industrial AI models, we have developed ADetector, a universal, fully automatic industrial AI inspection model. Unlike conventional supervised learning, ADetector adopts advanced prompt-based learning. It offers strong universality and zero-shot transfer capability, enabling fast adaptation to new tasks and new scenarios with better performance. Using area array cameras for full-range imaging, the system inspects wood-based panels and performs intelligent algorithm analysis to accurately determine whether defects meet shipping standards. Our packaging line stands out with its strength in non-standard customization. We provide tailored packaging solutions to meet the specific demands of different enterprises. We offer a full process service covering equipment selection, solution configuration, installation, and commissioning, as well as operation and maintenance support. The solutions can be implemented in multiple scenarios, including whole line connection, non-standard customization, and engineering modification. The equipment features stable operation, energy conservation, consumption reduction, and convenient maintenance, helping to lower operating costs. Some of our customers